The Rust case against Alec Baldwin just got messier as new claims emerged of Alec's alleged reckless behavior on set.
Yeah, I know. We're going to get to that, but we start with another star controversy. The shocking allegations of harassment against Sylvester Stallone on set.
You still there?
She doesn't go up mother. She don't want it up. What can I do with shit?
Oh, I see it. Oh, she a big motherfucker. I thought it was a little teeny one. Now she looking like, what is they playing that siren for? I ain't going nowhere. That fox get her ass. There she goes. She heard the door and had a delayed reaction jerk. Hey, get away from here. Hey, go. Go with your mother. Before I have a sandwich make a sandwich out of your ass.
That's why you can't boss
Her mother probably over the fence. I'm looking in the yard now. Yeah, the mother not in the yard. Arriba, ándale. Hey, yo, get out of there, go home. Yeah. Dead brain every motherfucking word. Hey, you better go ahead, man. I got an itchy trigger finger. Yo, go ahead now, stop playing. Go home. Go home. Like, I ain't scared of you. I'm bigger than you, man, bro. We're moving now. No, where's she at? Oh, yeah, she went past the side of the house. Look like the neighbor looking to see why the side.
You gotta find a way to get that fast.